Hi guys, welcome to another weekly edition on my workbench. So what changed in the world of web development this week? The first thing in our list is there is a cool new update. TypeScript version 3.8 is finally here. TypeScript has been playing a major role in web development these days, both in front-end as well as in back-end. During last week, we had our first look at version 3.8 release candidate. As per the official update, there is not going to be any change at all from the RZ to the final release, except for the critical bugs. And this release will be scheduled on 14th of February. So, we'll right away install the TypeScript RZ version using this command. All you have to do is npm install TypeScript at RZ. Now, let's try all the cool new features of version 3.8. First thing is now you will be able to simultaneously import types as well as the methods or modules in your TS file. Say for instance, you have multiple imports like this one. Now, we can also do it like we can separately import the functions as well as there is a type specific import that is released now. But I prefer using this way. We can simultaneously import both the things. So no more setbacks due to type elision. Now, the cool new feature that has been added to the existing private fields is second in our list. Say for instance, you have a class method. Now this person has a constructor which takes in name. Now in order to define it as a private field, we can use hash. Also, this is not accessible outside this particular class. If you try to instantiate a new member and when you try to access the name variable, it throws the error. So it throws that name is not accessible outside the class. So what exactly is it an improvement over the existing private field? Say for instance, I have another class method called another person extending this person. Now, we are able to use the same key variable, but when we try to use private keyword, it will throw the error that duplicate identifier is found. So, hash being used as a private keyword is that these fields are bound to that particular class and does not infer with inheriting classes, which is not the case when you use private keyword. So, if you instantiate this person, you will be able to access both the base class and the inheriting class. Next in our list is import as and export as. So you will be able to import or export the whole module in a particular naming instead of having it as a tree shakable property. So it's completely up to you to decide which to lean towards. Next thing is top level await. Quite not sure what the use case is for this one because you will be able to use await without even using async. The following error is only because you need to set the TS-lint to ES 2017 or ES next. Now this is my personal favorite. Using existing JSON doc for improving strict checks is kinda cool new approach. Just by having this comment would allow you to leverage existing JSDoc comments for type checks. Say for instance, I have a new class. Now I can infer that a field is private or protected or public or even read-only just by the following comment on JSON-doc. If I try to access this, the TypeScript will instantly throw the private field error. Similarity applies for protected as well, also the read-only fields. Now if I try to create a read-only field, I am unable to access this particular field within the particular class itself. If I hover over it, it throws that it is a read-only property. Also, I will not be able to modify that read-only property outside the class as well. Now, the second most important news in our list is Angular has released its version 9. It comes with lot of cool new updates as well, like inbuilt support for YouTube and Gmap. Let's dig in right away. You can install this version with npm install g at Angular CLI at latest or update with ng update. We'll right away start the server and take a look into our files. In order to create a new project, we use the similar approach and we right away look into the files. We can already see that it's using version 9. Now RxJS has an update, and most importantly, TS version is 7.5, which allows a lot of cool new features like null callchain. Now coming to the underhood changes, Angular uses Ivy engine for compilation, and also the ng-serve now uses ahead of time compilation rather than just-in-time compilation, which in turn shows build errors during development itself. Also, these errors are more clear and easy to debug. Now coming to the performance, Angular team has constantly reduced the bundle size over the past few years, and Angular 9 has stepped up a notch with considerable improvement. Let's see for ourselves by creating a prod build so that we could check the stats with Webpack Bundle Analyzer. It shows a gzipped version of near to 100 KB, which looks promising enough to compete with React or Vue.js in terms of performance. Also, there are some mentionable changes to which I have provided a link for you to check in detail. In this list, it's worth reiterating that there is built-in support component for both YouTube and Gmap. I hope you found this useful. If you liked this video, do leave a like, share and thumbs up and subscribe for more such videos. Until next time, this is Suren signing off.